What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is Nisi Casiano at makakasama natin today, returning to action on April 6 in Bangkok, Thailand, Lions Nation MMAs, the Juggernaut, Jeremy
Mhm.
Pacatio. Ading, kamusta? And welcome to the program.
Hello po kuya, mabuti naman and hello sa mga taga-panood and taga-suporta.
Yan. Champ, gaano ka ka-excited na for almost 2 years, muling magbabalik aksyon ka inside the ring, hindi circle, for your
Mm.
return fight at One Fight Night 21 against Wang Shu. Gaano ka-excited na ulit yayapa ka on the One Championship stage?
Ah, Super saya po kasi for almost 1 year na wala tayong laro.
Over two
Ah,
year, over 1 year, linawin
one
natin.
year. Ah,
Oh,
1 year. So 1 year. So yun, excited ulit na bumalik sa ring. So this is the chance again na ipakita yung talento natin.
Ading, hindi ka ba a bit worried that, kasi may tinatawag na proverbial ring rust, and it
Mm.
haunts every fighter, and yan din yung iniisip ng bawat fans and observers ng hindi in combat sports in general.
Mm.
Ano yung masasabi mo? Is it ikaw ba, this is the longest na may layoff ka? Ah, paano mo ngayon at least na sabihin natin na to supplement your activity inside the gym para lang masabi natin to keep yourself active and to really disprove this notion na merong ring rust.
Siyempre sa akin naman is as in athlete is ginagawa ko naman yung part ko. So kahit walang laro na nasabi, still nasa gym pa rin ako na nagtitraining helping yung mga kasama natin na may laro. Ah, Yun, siguro kung active ka naman sa training is hindi naman ano to, ah, mawawala naman siguro yung ring rust na sinasabi nila.
Based on your experience, is that enough to keep you sharp? That's the right term, eh. To keep you sharp for upcoming fights. Kasi iba yung active
Mm.
inside the gym and active in the fight, eh. In the fight game.
Mm.
Dalawang magkaiba yung dynamics na yan, eh. Do you think that's enough to make you sharp?
Siguro siguro may konting disadvantage din kasi yun nga medyo natagalan. So uh, for me is kailangan pa rin kailangan pa rin na kahit man na wala yung laro na binibigay, kailangan pa rin i-develop yung mga kailangan i-develop.
Hmm. Speaking of develop, dahil nabanggit mo na naman, all throughout 2013, you ventured into different combat sports and you flourished. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, kickboxing. Gano'n siya
Mm.
kaimportante doon sa growth mo as a martial artist? And ito hindi lang to biro-biro, podium finishes both sa kickboxing and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. And if I'm not, and also if I'm not mistaken, na-promote ka pa sa Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Mm.
How important is this
Mm.
development sa overall growth mo as a competitor?
Yung importance naman ng growth ko dito sa kickboxing and BJJ is malaki kasi nadagdagan ulit yung knowledge about sa sports, most especially sa jiu-jitsu. Yung mga kailangan, yung mga small details na hindi namin alam is yun, nare- nare-remind kami at naituturo sa amin yung mga small details na dapat namin gawin when it comes to BJJ. And also sa kickboxing naman is maganda kasi last year is naki-participate tayo sa SEA Games. So marami din akong natutunan mas lalo na at meron yung foreigner na coach namin, marami din siyang itinuro na technique.
Ading, kung babalikan natin looking back, ah, of course, ayaw natin nag-iintay ng laban
Mm.
as a mixed martial arts, as a professional fighter. Pero looking back ba, no regrets or sabihin natin, yun nga, no regrets dahil yung pinagdaanan mo naman is beneficial dun sa development mo as a fighter. Kasi nag-focus ka sa kickboxing kahit papaano nahasa yung striking mo. At the same time, nag-develop ka rin sa ground game mo.
Yun naman, wala namang ano to, wala namang ah, problema doon
Mhm.
kasi nag-open some door close and some door open para din sa ikabubuti rin ng karir namin.
So, kahit papaano, you see the good or sabihin the good outweighs the bad dun sa pinagdaanan mo kahit sabihin natin na over a year kang nag-intay para sa isang mixed martial arts na laban in one championship. Tama ba?
Oo, oo.
Ngayon ba mas nakaka-excite heading to the fight dahil yun nga nabanggit mo may developments may bagong weapons in your arsenal na gusto mong ipakita uh,
Mm.
for your upcoming fight.
Oo, nakaka-excite kasi siyempre uh, we're already in a new team. So kailangan din namin ipakita yung improvement namin. And also, may konting pressure
Mm.
kasi new team again. So kailangan naming ipakita yung uh, mga hinasa namin
Mm.
ngayon.
Dahil nabanggit mo na nga yan yung new team. Dahil ikaw yung
Mm.
nagbigay sa akin, ikaw yung naghain, ikaw yung nagbanggit. Eto nga, speaking of new team, huwag kang masyadong kabahan, Ading. Pero gusto lang natin tumbukin is the only difference this time around. Kasi, again, this is your debut fight under the Lions Nation MMA banner. And
Mm.
sa ngayon ba, kaya mong ma-pinpoint yung at least yung benefits or sabihin natin the difference na lang. That's the right term. The difference now that you're training under a new team.
Mm. Ah, Yun, maganda naman kasi we're open to each other. Yung mga suggestion namin na kailangan naming i-develop is yun naman na ibibigay naman. Yung BGG namin, meron din kaming Muay Thai, and yun, at least also yung conditioning training namin is meron din. So masaya kasi we're all have the ano to, chemistry sa aming team.
So yun yung malaking factor ngayon sa Lions Nation MMA, yung nabanggit mong chemistry.
Mm.
That siguro yun yung nagmo-motivate sa iyo. Iyon ba nagmo-motivate sa iyo to go to the gym and train?
Oo, kasi meron sila to support me in my training.
Sa ngayon ba masasabi mo with Lions Nation MMA heading into this fight mas kumpleto ka? Mas kumpleto not just sa ensayo pero as a fighter as well.
Oo, oo. Mas kompleto.
Masaya ka ba na at this point, ngayon na tumitake off ka ulit sa career mo, is na-address na yung kailangan mo as a fighter?
Oo naman, syempre masaya kasi yung kailangan na tulong is naibibigay naman na ready silang tumulong for yung mga kailangan ko na ah, kailangan ko to prepare for this fight.
Champ, ngayon pag-usapan natin yung makakalaban mo on
Mm.
April 6, si Wang Shu. Matagal din siyang nagiintay na isang laban. Do you feel this is the right opponent for you lalo ngayon you're testing the waters once again?
Siguro ito yung perfect match sa akin kasi yun na, we're also ah, galing din siya sa paghihintay.
Mm-mm.
So maganda para makita yung adjustment namin na dalawa.
Mm-mm.
And also uh, may papakita namin yung kung ano yung ginawa namin within that span of time.
Champ, ito nga si Wang Shu was originally a flyweight. Now, umaakyat siya ng
Mm.
division. Pero kahit sabihin natin that ikaw yung may advantage in terms of size, pati yung familiarity sa bantamweight. May dala-dala tong experience. Do you
Mm.
acknowledge that? Yung at least, do you acknowledge na isa siyang battle-hardened veteran?
Oo naman, tested naman siya. Nakita naman natin yung laro niya sa flyweight. And yun, makita natin na matigas din. I think yun yung isang ano to, weapon niya, yung absorbing niya. Kasi
Hmm.
napanood ko din yung laban niya is talagang iba yung absorbing niya. And I'm sure na motivated din siya to uh, bumalik dito sa One.
Champ, do you see it as a pressure or motivation dahil napaka-spectacular nung performance mo last December 2022 eh. You even brought home a $50,000 bonus. Ano ba,
Mm.
pressure or motivation na to sustain that momentum?
Both, both siguro kasi first, isa pressure is kasi siyempre yun nga, natagalan tayo ng laro. So, siguro mag-adjust ulit. And also, new team and also motivation. Kasi siyempre, I have supporters who are cheering for me. I have my family. So, and also motivation to show na uh, kaya nating ipanalo yung laban.
Champ, ano yung mga nakikita mo leverages mo over Wang Shu? Naniniwala si Champ Edward Pulayang in our interview last weekend na sabihin natin it's a striker versus striker kind of matchup. Pero wag nating kakalimutan, sabi niya, wag nating kakalimutan tinalo ni Jeremy si TL Tang via triangle submission. Is that a facet that you're looking at heading into this matchup?
Oo, he's a striker also. Pero yun nga, pwede nating switch yung game eh. Which is, it's a mixed martial arts. So, tignan natin yung holes
Mm.
during the game. And siguro if we have the opportunity to finish finish it early, and that would be good.
Ano pa nakikita mo loophole sa arsenal ni Wang Shu na you're looking to exploit sa laban na to?
It's been 2 years kasi yung laro niya, so hindi ko alam ngayon
Mm. Yung
kung
improvement.
ano yung improvement niya. So sa akin is hindi ko pa masasabi kasi siyempre nag-training din yan.
Mm. Mm.
So I need to be careful in all aspects kasi hindi natin alam, baka mamaya tayo yung ma-surprise.
Mm. Champ, do you think this is, ano sabihin natin, malaki pa rin yung risk heading to this fight? Lalo, posible, ang nakataya dito is a spot in the top 5.
Sa akin naman is hindi ko naman iniisip yung top 5 eh. Parang yung nasa isip, focus
Mm.
focus and win the fight. So if mabigyan man tayo ng
Mm.
top 5, it would be in an opportunity.
So, kung mabigay yung top 5 is just an icing on the cake para sa'yo.
Oo.
Mm.
Parang
Ngayon,
lang,
say, go ahead.
ah bonus na rin yun if may lalagay tayo doon.
Bonus na rin. So, dalawang bonus ang gustong makuha ni
Uh,
Jeremy Pacquiao. Ading, alam naman natin na matagal yung paghihintay. Ngayon ba nangangarap ka na mas active the 2024?
Oo, kasi yun nga, na-try nating maghintay ng matagal, and sobrang mahirap. Most especially, it's my bread and butter din. Doon ako kumukuha ng mas financially nga talaga kasi walang
Oo.
iba. So
Mm.
hopefully ngayong 2024 is maging active tayo.
Ading, lahat ng taga Lions Nation MMA isa lang sinasabi, napaka-vibrant, may give and take sa ensayo
Mm.
ngayon sa Lions Nation MMA. Pero wag na merong aspect na namamagnify na lahat ng tao. Medyo hindi pa take off yung Lions Nation MMA this year dahil nga si Danny hindi pinalad sa kanyang huling laban, tapos ganun pa yung naging resulta ng laban ni Joshua Pasha, though si Joshua ay nakapag-uwi pa rin kahit papaano na isang world title.
Mm.
Ah, paano mo siya tinitignan? Do you see it as a privilege or another form of pressure pa rin na to really set the momentum for Lions Nation MMA and to really prove na, okay, the last two campaigns na Lions Nation MMA in 2023 were no fluke.
Siyempre, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko na we're starting. So, we need to, ipakilala yung Lions Nation MMA sa buong mundo. And also, uh, kailangan talaga na iset yung momentum para uh, tuloy-tuloy yung
Momentum
pagkilala nila sa
sa
momentum.
grupo.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy yung momentum ng Lions Nation MMA. Yun.
Ayan po,
Ay.
pagpasensyahan nyo na po si Jeremy at kakagaling lang po niyan sa ensayo. So, pagod-pagod po. So, kailangan po natin intindihin ang pinagdadaanan ng isang Jeremy Pacatio at for sure, nagsisimula na yan sa kanyang weight cut. Ngayon, Chap, siguro,
Oh,
siguro, at how do you see things play out in this fight? And also, syempre, sundutin na kita. Prediction mo for your upcoming fight.
prediction ko is yung may tataas yung kamay ko in the end of the fight.
Regardless of how it is done.
Yes,
Wag
how
lang
it's done.
disqualification.
Oo, wag lang, wag lang.
One is enough.
Yeah, yes,
One.
yes.
So,
Mahirap na.
so the key here for you is to adjust. And kung may opportunity naman to pounce for a finish, you would go for it. Tama ba?
Yes, yes, kuya. May opportunity, finish agad. If maganda naman yung depensa or yung laro, whatever the result, basta ako yung manalo, I'm so happy. Happy din
So,
pa rin ako
so,
doon.
so, malinawin lang natin to narrow it down.
Ah,
Ang goal mo talaga is ngayon to just showcase your improvement and versatility as a mixed martial artist.
yes po, kuya. Yes po.
Yan
Yun,
yan.
natumbok mo.
Natumbok ko. Yan, tinumbok ko na para sa'yo.
Mm.
Before we let you go, Ding, baka may nais kang pasalamatan, lalo na yung kasama mo dyan sa bahay.
Okay. Yun, maraming salamat sa aking napakagandang asawa who is very supportive sa pag-prepare ng pagkain ko.
Every
So
day.
yun, yes, every day. So maraming salamat, Marjorie. And also sa mga teammates ko na tumutulong, Alliance Nation MMA, to our fans, yung mga sponsors namin na who are there to help us to yung may provide yung kailangan namin. Maraming salamat po. And sa iyo, Kuya Nisi, maraming salamat din.
Oh, you're welcome.
Mm.
Anyway, champ,
Mm.
maraming salamat sa oras and hope to see you soon.
Okay. Thank you.
God bless. And that's it for all of us here at here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest content from the MMA Superfan. Narinig ko si Marge. That's it for all of us. I'm Nisi Casiano. Till next time.